the wood straight. And then thereafter we make 2 rings and recess the mvule on top of those rings. But if you can see the rings properly, they have been attached with screws such that it's not able to come out. Then we use something called flat cane, just like what this guy is doing. Now the flat cane, the purpose of it is to bind on the metal so that it will not be seen. The whole product has to look as natural as possible. The color of flat cane is usually buttermilk, a kind of color. So it's supposed to match with the mvule wood. The wood, what we did is that after we lathed it, we applied some varnish on it, several coats. So this is how we had it done. This was for a client of ours from the Somali region. She wanted this kind of mirrors. It's a very, very simple kind of a craft. So once that is done, we are going to cut the mirror and recess inside that hole you're seeing at the center. Once it is recessed there, then we take 4mm round cane and we seal the crevice. So you are not able to know what happened. You can see the mirror is already sealed there. And then if you look at the edges already has 4mm. Thereafter we clean it nicely, very, very nicely, because what happens is we applied silicone. We applied silicone for the firm kind of finish. We applied silicone and we had it put there. So now this sun mirror will be ready for delivery. Now this is not a very, very small mirror. It is big because it's about 90 centimeters. No, sorry, 90 inches it's around, I think it's around 90 centimeters in diameter. So it covers quite a huge portion of the wall. Yeah, so now the mirror has already been recessed. So that is how it looked like from the client's wall. She really appreciated them. She bought 3 sun mirrors from us. That's exactly how it looked like.